Overview of circular economy. Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about circular economy. What is circular economy? It's a way of thinking about how we produce and consume goods and services that is more sustainable. In a circular economy, we try to keep resources in use for as long as possible, and we minimize waste. What is the problem with our current economic system? Our current economic system is based on a linear model of production and consumption. We take resources from the earth, we use them to make products, and then we throw them away when we're done with them. This linear model is not sustainable because it creates a lot of waste. What is the solution? The solution is to move to a circular economy. A circular economy is a system where we keep resources in use for as long as possible. We do this by repairing, reusing, and recycling products. We also try to design products that are easy to repair and reuse. Why is circular economy important? Circular economy is important because it can help us to reduce waste and pollution. It can also help us to create jobs and grow the economy. How can we make the switch to a circular economy? There are a lot of things that we can do to make the switch to a circular economy. We can start by buying products that are made from recycled materials. We can also repair and reuse products instead of throwing them away. And we can support businesses that are committed to circular economy. Conclusion. Circular economy is a way of thinking about how we produce and consume goods and services that is more sustainable. It can help us to reduce waste and pollution, create jobs, and grow the economy. If we all make a commitment to circular economy, we can make a difference for the planet. For more sustainable related topics, please do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.